Super cool trick with your Vitamix. I am in the middle of a recipe and realize I do not have any powdered sugar. So what I am going to do is make it in my Vitamix. I have 1.5 cups of sugar, just granulated. I'm gonna put on my lid, and what we're gonna do is start at number 1. I'm gonna increase it to the highest. Okay, so it already looks totally different. I am going to now open the top, add in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and this goes in to prevent our powdered sugar from caking. So I'm gonna add this in, and then we're gonna go back up to variable 10 for 10 seconds. All right, check it out. Full-on powdered sugar. How awesome is that? Enjoy.